People always ask me, Hula Empress, how in the world do you keep the hoop spinning while you do these trending dances? The answer is quite simple: practice. So I'm going to give you my inside secrets of how I'm able to complete these trending dance challenges with my hula hoop. So the challenge that we're going to do today is It Depends by Chris Brown. This song has been going crazy on the internet, and it's still going crazy, and it's still one of my favorite Chris Brown challenges, dance challenges to do. So I'm going to give you again my secret tips of how you can accomplish this dance trend. So first things first, watch the video a few times. Anytime a trending dance comes out, I watch the video over and over, and I learn the dance moves first without my hula hoop. Okay, so we're going to go over that in a little bit. So I'll make sure you have the actual steps. And then I start practicing with the hula hoop involved. And sure, the hula hoop is going to drop a few times. And I just keep drilling it until I actually feel pretty confident in it. And then the final step is to get the actual great shot. The reel that I feel like is I completely nailed it. So even that process, I may have at least 5 to 10 videos, and I just go back through and I pick my favorite video, the one I felt the most confident in. So all the videos that you see of me on social media of these trending dances, those are the top of the tier, what I felt like was the best video in the batch. So I hope y'all love them. And if you are with me in this tutorial, drop It Depends in the comments if you're ready to learn this dance. Let's get spinning. So we're going to try to do this part without the music. I tend to like to pair words with the movements. That is, for me, the easiest way for me to remember the actual dance. Okay, so we start out by saying, "You bad as hell, I treat you well, girl, I can tell, come give me hell, come here, under your spell."
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And
I'm so horrible with lyrics, but y'all know what it is. So we're going to start over. Okay, so we're going to go with the lyrics that I can remember. You bad as hell, I treat you well, I will. Come to me, hell, come here, under this spell. Double here, and it's cross, rock, hand, roll. Y'all have some balance. And okay, so anyway, I'm gonna try with the music because I don't even remember the words right now, probably because my nerves jitters are kicking in. But let's get to the real thing. When you are doing any trending dance with the hula hoop, of course it is not going to look exactly like the trending dance, but that's the point of us all being unique. You add your own flavor to a trending dance, right? So most times the movement may look a little different than the actual trending dance, because you have to keep your hands high or else it will interfere with the hula hoop. Get into it. Hey. Double, cross, and they went down. Can't go down with the hula hoop. All right, here we go. So I typically start the music before it gets to the actual part of the song. Hey, you probably heard me in the background making the sounds to help me remember the movements. You got to do what you got to do when you got the hoop going with you. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. Let me know in the comments if you did stay, if you're going to try it with or without the hula hoop. Let me know. I want to see. I want to see. Stay tuned for the next hula heel dance moment.
Smiling cause you know you you better still, I treat you well, I will. It's good, I can tell, come give me hell, come here. Your fairy tale, under your spell I am. She gets Chanel, oh well it all depends. You screaming yeah, can't come for help, I'm here. You leaving wells, I feel your nails for real. I hit you good, you sleeping good for real. I freak you out, I freak you out, I will.
I'll freak you right, I will. I'll freak you right, I will. I'll freak you like no one has ever made you feel. I'll freak you right, I will. I'll freak you right, I will. I'll freak you like no one has ever made you feel, yeah.
Shawty wanna come find out what's doing me.
I want to invite you to my hula healing tribe. If you want to learn how to hula hoop, learn some cool hula hoop tips, tricks, dance moves, I got you. Join the hula healing tribe. You can check it out at the link that's in my description. It is free right now. As of today of this video, it is free. And I look forward to doing monthly challenges with you, having accountability groups, all these things. If you want to take on a new activity for yourself that will bring you more freedom within yourself, your physical health, improve your mental health, all these things, you got to get in the Hula Healing Tribe. Check out the link in the comments. Look forward to seeing you inside.
If this world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire.